Right, I've got an unboxing today. I think I know exactly what this is. This should be a watch. It should definitely be a watch. And it should definitely be a Seiko. Recycle your packaging. Right, here we go. Lots more fun times there. Well, let's see. I'm sure you've done a good job. More recycling. Ooh, that's a lovely band already. What is this watch? I'm so excited. Oh wow, it's the HMT. That looks so good. Wow. Oh wow. Wow. Oh wow, that looks so cool. Oh wow. I really like that. Oh wow. Right, let's get this on my wrist. Quick wristwatch check. Let's get rid of my boy Mario for a bit. Oh wow. Oh, that feels so good as well. Oh wow, right, 10 to 4. Hey, come on son. There we go. Oh, I am liking this watch. I'm gonna have to find out how much this was. Let's see. Oh wow, I really like this. And it's so slim. Alright, let's see how much this bad boy was. Here we go, where is it? Right, sorry, it's way down the list. This has come from India. Oh my god, here it is. This cost £5.79. Wow, I love doing this as well. Gotta remember not to keep doing it though. Oh, that's so cool. Wow. I'm really impressed with this. I'll get it sized on me. I'll do all of that and then I'll give you a wristwatch check. Watch out. So this is the wristwatch check on the HMT Janata. I did the unboxing earlier. Managed to figure out how to get this strap sorted and sized, and I'm really liking this watch. I really like the winding as well, just to give it a little blast every now and then. Do you like that? There you go, that's the HMT Janata. Watch out.